Now take it and stretch it all the way over to the right, stretch. Take it and stretch it all the way over to the left, stretch. Now take it and stretch it all the way down in front. Reach way down to that seat back pocket and take out all that trash. And then over to the flight attendant. Give yourselves a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for taking our frontier yoga class today. Thank you so much, and welcome to Salt Lake City.
Flight attendants, please prepare for landing.
Okay, so I'm here in Salt Lake City. I was a little nervous because our flight took off 2 hours later than it was supposed to. I was kind of nervous that I wouldn't be able to complete everything on my list, but looking around, it looks like Salt Lake City is actually pretty compressed and that everything is pretty close by. So I got 3 hours before the Atlanta United game. Let's do this. This is super cool. I just have no idea why I'm the only person here.
Go around. Oh, you're so dumb.
Okay, just kidding. Me, that lady, and her dog. But other than that, only person here. I think this is so cool. So right above me, this super dope building right here is the public library, which is super cool because there's just like a little neighborhood right there. And then on that side, it's like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's just like a bunch of mountains. So like city's so cool. I'm over here at Ensign Peak, and it is actually right up there. So I'm gonna hike to the top, and apparently there's a really amazing view. Oh man, I just started. I'm literally already out of breath. This is a bad sign. I need to hit the treadmill more. I'm coming for you. All right, I made it to the top. Thought I was gonna die, but I didn't die, and I'm here. And this view is totally worth the long hike. Look at this. It's so beautiful up here.
They have just snapped their 5-game win streak against New York and are looking to get back into the win column in Utah. We are underway live from Sandy, Utah. It's RSL against Atlanta United. Shot from Gressel saved by Nick Raimondo, and the ball is cleared. Atlanta United now answering back after Bofo Saucedo's shot. There's the fight, it's won back by RSL. Nice stop by Donny Toya. Can he get the service? First finds Rusnak, looking for a teammate. Jefferson Savarino will beat this position. No, he won't. Here comes Jefferson, takes the shot with a deflection, and it almost curled in. It this can change Atlanta's game.
They will play together as they did at the Columbus Crew. Marami, international of Iran. Here's the pass by back. Joseph, yes! Goal! Dummy playing up to the left side. The opportunity is for Real Salt Lake at the tip of the box. Surprise slice, Everton Luis. Have a shot. Have a shot. Yes! Goal! No.
And Jefferson Savarino needed a moment of brilliance in just a little bit of space to give RSL the win.
That's it. Real Salt Lake wins their third consecutive game of the season.
At this Airbnb, it's Christmas 365. Thank you so much. Yum. Listen, you ever find yourself in Salt Lake City, you're thinking to yourself, I need the perfect breakfast spot immediately. Blue Plate Diner is the place. Not gonna lie, maybe the best breakfast of all time. Super good. See you later, buddy. It's been real.